Hello there and welcome to yet another video on our series of videos on responsive design. We have seen so much so far. So what we are going to do in this video is actually go into the next section of section of our mockup, because we have done this. So let's go into this and see what we can do with it. Also see here in mobile, this is what it looks like. So as I said, we always start our analysis from the level of the desktop. So what we are seeing here is that, there's this section, by the way, that we have already identified. There's a section like this. Inside this section, it has two direct children, one on the left and another on the right. The one on the right has other children of it, has its own children. So let's get started. I come here, this I'll have to click there. That's the first section, it ends here. So section, inside here I have two divs. The first is, I'm just gonna say what, let me see what's the name here, what's he saying here, because best education platform. Okay, best platform, yeah, I'll call it best platform image. So I'll see class, I already said class there, best platform, if I can spell that. Then here I'll give it class best platform text, like that. Here I can put img. I'm doing everything possible so that if I come back to my code like in 6 months times, I can have an idea of what is going on. 1 year time, I can have an idea, because that's why I make sure my naming convention here is actually, I'm grabbing the names from here. Best platform, okay, it means this section. When I'll come there, online learning, that's the class. I will take this and be given a class. Start online, I'll take and be given the classes there. Popular courses, this is what I'll be giving. So that's how you do it. If not, you get lost. After a certain period of time. So in here we have an image, img. I think I have that image already, just I don't know. I'm asset / screenshot. Let's take this 3. I hope that's what it is. If we refresh, I don't know why it's taking some time. My machine has been working since I'll need to refresh. It's not supposed to take this much time to show the result. Is it the image? No, this is not the image. So it should be the other screenshot. I know the other one is 23. This one is 3, so it's 7. Okay, 7. Then the next thing we know is that we need to give it a call, class of, oops, not that, class call 12, so that it takes rid of its parent. Now the next thing is this one here on the right. What's there? We have a div, we have an about us here, so we have an h4, h1 and stuff like that, or maybe h4, h2, because normally it's supposed to be one h4, h4, about us. I don't know if that's what it is. H2. What's H2? Best platform, but what? Best education platform. Education platform. I'll spell that. Platform. Best education platform. Okay. My PC is actually messing around. Refresh. 100%. Okay, you have it, the best education platform here. So the next thing that we are looking at is we have this paragraph. This one seems to be bold, this one isn't, so we have two paragraphs there. I'm just going to fill in some lorem there. I'm not try to type in what is there. P lorem. I'm not trying to type in what is there. Okay, so I'll copy this for the next P. The next P here, I'll just put this inside. Voila. Save. Refresh. We have it, the two paragraphs are down there. Okay, then the next thing we are doing is what that has to be taken looked at here. So we have the button. Next thing here is the button. It's just one button. What's there? Is it? I did not read that text. Explore. Explore. Then I'm going to give it the class btn so that it has already the things from the button. Then btn, I would say explore. Then this btn explore, since it's the same code with the other with learn more, I'm just going to copy this. Save. I will look for learn more. Or is it more? I think get started. I think started. Yeah. So it's the same. So I will just do this. I don't want to rewrite that CSS again. I don't have to. Then we have the button here. Looks smaller and ugly compared to this one up here. The next thing is putting in the padding. I'm beginning to think maybe that padding was right at the level of the body. That padding should be at the level of the body. If not, we will keep repeating it. Okay, I have to slide. That padding is at the level of the body. If you look at it, quite all right. So in my CSS here, that padding of what was it again? Hero, yeah, padding of 25. I'm going to remove it and put it at the level of the body so that I don't have to repeat myself again on that padding. Okay, refresh. Okay, that's it. Why is this not having the same size with this? Explore. Okay, the text is different. So that means that here I have to I'll say I have to call the explore. I say I have to call the explore, btn explore, which is not the best way forward. Let me just look at btn itself. Paging, changing this to 20, it will still not be the same. Let me just call the explore. Okay, paging left and right. Let me just remove this paging and have paging. Top and bottom is how many? 10 pixels. Left and right, let me put 25 pixels. Oops, my voice. Yep, that looks better now. So the next thing is actually arranging this text too. Before we arrange that, I think that shouldn't be an issue. Let's just make it responsive directly. To make it responsive, I just need to come here. Mobile is okay, but desktop not yet. So let me identify here. I will need to come to this and give it a class of row. Class row, we already know what row does. give it class role. This guy here, at the level of mobile, I'll give it the call 12. If I'm giving it call 12, this one too should have the call 12, which means take 100% of your parent element. Why? Let me refresh so you see. It doesn't have to change. Okay. So next thing is, while on tablet, this should now have a call MD6. Same here, call MD6. If you refresh, you see that's it. But this looks choked up. This is choked up, meaning that this guy here should have a padding. That guy should have a padding. If you look at the design here, you see it kind of looks smaller compared to this, because at 100, at 50, but it has a padding. So where is it? This is it. Best platform text. This guy. Let me make sure I did not have it already here. It doesn't exist. So where does it find itself? Let me just put it down here. Padding. Top and bottom, let me give 0. Left and right, 30 pixels. I don't know. I'm having a feeling that if I do that, I'm going to have more padding on the right. There's going to be more padding on the right compared to the real one. Okay, yeah. There's actually more padding on the right. So look at the mockup again. The section itself has a padding top. You see this empty space here is almost like 100, because from our own you see that it's touching, it's not good. So this section we have to give it a padding top. This section itself needed to have its own class. So the class here, best platform, best platform, because the other ones are platform that. Copy CSS after this. So best platform, padding top and bottom. I'll do top and bottom here. Top and bottom 100 pixels. Left and right is 0, because the body is already handling left and right. We don't want that again. I did not save somewhere. That's here. Voila. So we have it. The next thing is to actually organize this text. So I think you grab the concept of what responsive design is all about. Looking at this, you should already understand what responsive design is all about. Oh, this thing cannot be in the body, because if it's in the body, then we have this space here. We're going to remove it from the body. We don't want that bar. This guy actually occupies the whole site. So that's basically the concept of responsive design. Trying to redesign, you change your CSS in breakpoint. You see, as here for instance, it doesn't look good anymore. You might have another breakpoint, or you redefine it, and so on and so forth. That's basically what you do. You're redesigning the CSS per every dimension that you see. That's per every dimension of a device. So if you're in the mobiles, you do it for mobiles. When you go onto tablet, you arrange it for tablet. Tablet might be somewhere here. This looks good for tablet. Just need to style this out. Then when you reach like desktop, you see desktop here, this thing is not looking that good. It has to be like this. So you see, you have to rearrange the CSS here at this level by making use of your media queries. You come into the media queries at this level, you redefine that part down there, you arrange it. So that's basically the concept of responsive web design. I'm going to end the series here. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. Just put it on the comment section and I will answer you. Ciao, ciao, ciao. See you in the next series of video. I think I'm going to make a more shorter video to explain this because it was more longer than what I expected it to be. Ciao, ciao, ciao.